to this daily hypnosis session for sharpening your decision-making skills. Before we begin today's journey into the depths of your own decision-making prowess, let me remind you of the importance of using hypnosis in a safe environment. Please ensure you're in a place where you can comfortably relax without driving or operating machinery. This session is designed to enhance your internal experiences and should not be used when your full attention is required elsewhere. And now, on to the hypnosis. Imagine yourself in a grand library with towering shelves filled with books of every color and every subject. As you step quietly across the soft, plush carpet, your footsteps muffled, the gentle hush of this sacred place envelops you. Each book you see is a story, a life, a series of decisions that weave into meaningful journeys. And as you walk deeper into the library, feel the calmness seeping into your bones. With each breath you take, the air, rich with the scent of leather and paper, invites you to explore deeper, relax further, letting go of the outer world as you drift deeper into this tranquil space. And now you find yourself drawing towards a particular section of this vast library. With every step, notice how your relaxation doubles. Feel your connection with this environment growing stronger. Each book you pass seems to whisper secrets of wisdom and tranquility. Let these whispers guide you to a cozy corner, a secluded nook with a comfortable chair that seems to have been waiting just for you. And as you settle into this chair, it's as though you sink into layers of calm, each layer taking you deeper into a serene state of mind. The soft murmur of the pages turning in the distance, the occasional soft thud of a book being placed back on the shelf. These sounds help you descend further into a peaceful trance, preparing you to harness the power of your decision-making skills. And as you sit comfortably in that chair, surrounded by endless knowledge, imagine every book around you representing possibilities and choices that life presents. Each spine is a path, a potential decision waiting to be explored, and you sitting in the center of the master of these choices. Imagine yourself reaching out and picking a book off the shelf. The title of this book is Past Decisions, and as you leaf through its pages, you see chapters of your life where you've made decisions, some that brought joy and others that brought lessons. Realize that each decision has intricately sculpted your present. And as you close this book and place it gently back on the shelf, feel a sense of release, letting go of any regrets, letting go of any what-ifs. They are just stories from the past, and you're now turning the page. Next, you find a book with a glowing cover titled Present Choices. As you open it, the pages light up and the words seem to dance with potential. Here you see scenes from your current life, moments where decisions are pending, waiting for your action. Notice how these scenarios play out like scenes from a movie, showing you different outcomes based on different choices. With each scene, feel your mind becoming sharper, more attuned to the nuances of each decision. You begin to understand the power of assessing options, the clarity that comes from weighing potential benefits and consequences. And as you continue exploring present choices, an inner confidence builds within you. Each decision in this book teaches you that choices are not just about selecting the right option, but about understanding deeper values and desires that guide these choices. You are learning to trust your intuition, to listen to that inner voice that speaks with wisdom and clarity. Feel this trust spreading through you like warmth, empowering and enlightening. And now place present choices back on the shelf and notice a third book, more magnificent than the others, titled Future Pathways. As you open it, the pages are blank, a canvas waiting for your touch. Realize that the future is yours to write. Your decisions now will paint the pages of tomorrow. Imagine yourself holding a pen, each stroke a decision made with confidence and insight. See yourself navigating through future challenges with ease, your decision-making skills like a compass guiding you through the complexities of life. With each imagined stroke of the pen, your ability to discern and decide grows stronger. You're becoming a master of your destiny, shaping it with deliberate and wise choices. The future no longer feels like a distant, foggy dream, but a clear path that you're carving with each confident decision. And as you close Future Pathways, feel a profound connection with your ability to make wise, informed decisions. The library around you, with its infinite stories and possibilities, symbolizes your own expansive potential, and with every choice, you're writing your epic, a story of success, learning, and growth. And now it's time to return from the library of decisions. And as you gently rise from the chair, feel the knowledge and confidence you've gathered remain with you, secure within your mind. With each step towards the exit of the library, begin to feel more aware of your surroundings, more present in the here and now. The sensation of the plush carpet beneath your feet starts to fade as you gradually bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. In a moment, I'll count from 5 down to 1, and with each number, feel yourself becoming more awake, more alert. 5, slowly rising. 4, becoming aware of your body. 3, taking a deep, refreshing breath. 2, feeling energized. And 1, fully awake, ready to open your eyes with a renewed sense of clarity and purpose. And as you move forward, let the confidence in your decision-making continue to grow. Each time you're faced with a choice, remember the library, the books, and the calm clarity you felt. Let these memories guide your decisions, ensuring they are made with wisdom and confidence. Your subconscious will now effortlessly align with this empowered approach. And with that, you carry with you the tools and insights from our journey today. Continue to explore your decisions with wisdom and confidence. And until next time, goodbye and good mental health.